Alright guys, so today we're going to be updating Huawei P20 Lite from Android 8 to Android 9. So as you can see, here it is. So we are going to be installing right now. It's restarting right now. We're just going to wait. Okay. So it's restarting, so we're just going to have to wait. It's rebooting up, so we just have to wait. So it'll say installing updates, so we're just gonna have to wait and see. Let's see about that. So yeah. Yep. EMUI. So it's gonna verify the update package. So we're just gonna have to wait. Just for a couple of minutes. So it'll come. So yeah, before you install this update, so your phone needs to charge around, so like I said, your phone needs to be charged around 100% or 90%, depending on your battery status. So yeah, it's installing the update, so this will take about 5 minutes or so, or just a couple of minutes, so we just have to wait. Your update success. The device will restart. Yep. Update is successfully installed. Right. So now it's booting up right now. So we're going to take a new look on a new Android 9 version of Huawei P20 Lite. So, yep, this is Huawei. So we just have to wait. Yep. Right, now we're going to take a new look. Let's take a new look. Let's see. So it's optimizing apps now. So we're just going to have to wait. 96. Alright, 100%. All apps have been optimized. So just to get a new look of this new Android 9 version of Huawei. So, you know, Huawei P20 Lite. So yeah. We're just gonna have to wait just then. Okay. Right. Okay. Okay, I'm just gonna put my password in, so I'll be right back. So as you can see, guys, you get a new look of your new Android 9 version of Huawei P20 Lite. So yeah, look at that. So we're gonna go into settings. So just to get a new look, look at that. So we're gonna check our new software update. So let's check a new look. Look at that. So you see, oh yeah, so I might as well download and install it later. So I might as well do that. So yeah, as you can see, this is a new version. So EMUI 9.1.0. And we're gonna go to the About Phone. As you can see, there you have it. Look at that. So what we're going to do right now is we're going to go on to the Android version. And look at that. It is the Android 9.0 Pie. Look at that. So yeah. Alright, so yeah, I think that's it, yeah? And you got a clock right here. All these apps are changed, they're all optimized. So yeah. So yeah, guys, I hope you guys watching, and make sure you guys to like and subscribe, share, comment, turn notification on, and stay up to date. So yeah, I'll see you guys again soon. Goodbye.